In this video, we'll show you how to change the thermostat on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You need to drain the cooling circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Chevy Silverado. Remove the air hoses. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the hoses. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the air box. Then, remove the hose. Place a cloth down since the fluid may leak out. Using flat-nose pliers or collar pliers, compress the hose retaining rings on the thermostat before removing them. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 thermostat retaining bolts. Then, remove it. Protect the cooling circuit by plugging it with a cloth to prevent impurities from polluting the circuit. Remove the used gasket. You can use fine sanding paper to remove the various residues from the gasket surface. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then wipe off the impurities on the gasket surface with a paper towel. Remove the cloth. You can order the thermostat used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new thermostat. Install it in its location. And screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the hoses. To do this, first reconnect the 2 coolant hoses, then refit their retaining rings. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Chevy Silverado. Replace the air intake duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Reconnect the hoses. Operation complete.